Okay, the outside final clear coat has dried, and now we're starting construction on the inside. This is going to be a very fast process, but let's show you the detail while we're building it. That, of course, is a bathroom door. There's our metal receptacles for the outlets. All of them will be supported by what we're putting in now, which is the conduit. We have the power cable, and we have Cat 5 data cable. This is inside the wall. You won't be seeing this, but this is the framework for the bathroom. Let's see if we can get some. So this is the entranceway for the bathroom. These are the door frames. Next goes the insulation in here. This is going to be put together quite fast. There's the insulation. There's our front door entry. Next video, you'll see the door will be framed. There's the rest of the conduit on the ground. These are the interior panels. The insulation there is really just for soundproofing. So that's our update for today. Next video you see, you're going to pretty much see a completed container home. Then off to Miami.